Namaste.
Hi, I'm Seema. I'm a postdoc here at the Action Lab and maybe your future colleague.
हाय, मैं वर्षा हूँ और मैं पीएचडी कर रही हूँ यहाँ ड्रेसडन में एट द जर्मन सेंटर फॉर न्यूरोडिजेनरेटिव डिजीजेस.
I am from Mysuru in Karnataka, India. I did my PhD at the University of Hyderabad and moved to Dresden with a Humboldt Fellowship actually in 2021.
और मैं नागपुर से हूँ महाराष्ट्र में. मैंने अपनी मास्टर्स की इन न्यूरोसाइंस एट द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस इन बैंगलोर एंड मैं भी यहाँ 2021 में आ गई थी अपनी पीएचडी करने के लिए, जो कि बर्लिन से कोलैबोरेशन में है at the International Max Planck Research School.
We want to invite you to apply to a prestigious postdoctoral fellowship in the field of neuroscience and mental health. This is funded by the Alexander von Humboldt Foundation as part of the Henrietta Hertz Scouting Program. The objective of this fellowship is to scout and support talented female researchers from across the world and across different disciplines.
इस फेलोशिप की ड्यूरेशन 6 to 24 मंथ्स हो सकती है डिपेंडिंग ऑन आपका प्रोजेक्ट किस टाइप का है. एंड इस फेलोशिप के एंड होने के बाद भी यू विल रिमेन अ लाइफ लॉन्ग मेंबर of this very prestigious scientific community of Humboldt Foundation. इसके बहुत सारे benefits हैं. You will get a competitive salary, travel और startup के लिए allowances, and as you might know that German is a very hard language, so यहाँ पे आपको help किया जाएगा to get language courses, and there is in general a lot of support for your accompanying family members.
As part of the fellowship, you will have the chance to attend different networking events and go on research trips funded by the foundation, which is in general a nice thing to meet other like-minded people and also foster collaborations.
और ड्रेसडन में एक बहुत ही अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वेलकम सेंटर, जो हेल्प करती है इंटरनेशनल रिसर्चर्स को टू सेटल डाउन इन द सिटी एंड टू इन जनरल इंटीग्रेट इनटू द जर्मन कम्युनिटी. वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे अपार्टमेंट्स ढूंढने में, to figure out which health insurance is good, and in general just making you feel comfortable in the city.
The main goal of our research group is to achieve at a multifaceted understanding of how humans plan, guide, and control their actions. We do this by bridging the gap between cognitive science, clinical disorders, and neurophysiology by using different methods such as EEG, TMS, computational modeling, and artificial intelligence. Our group has published many influential papers and review articles, all of which you can find on our website.
ड्रेसडन में एक बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट न्यूरोसाइंस कम्युनिटी है. देयर इज़ अ क्लस्टर ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूट्स जो काफ़ी रेगुलरली एक दूसरे के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, जैसे सेंटर फॉर रीजनरेटिव थेरेपीज़, जर्मन सेंटर फॉर चाइल्ड एंड एडोलेसेंट हेल्थ एंड जर्मन सेंटर फॉर न्यूरोडिजेनरेटिव डिजीज़, जहाँ पे मैं अपनी पीएचडी कर रही हूँ. So you have a lot of opportunities to meet like-minded people and have collaborations.
Life in our lab isn't just about work. We have regular fun events like the summer and Christmas parties. And sometimes after work, we go out for dinner or drinks together. Dresden is also a perfectly sized city, in my opinion. It's not too small or not too big. And it's great for exploring by bike or even by foot sometimes. The old town of Dresden has many historical buildings, and it has a bit of an old world charm, which is quite nice. And the new town has a younger vibe, and it's full of bars and restaurants and unique shops, and it's perfect for nightlife.
अगर आपको नेचर पसंद है तो यहाँ पे फॉरेस्ट एरियाज़ हैं और एक नेशनल पार्क है जहाँ पे हाइकिंग ट्रेल्स हैं, बोल्डरिंग स्पॉट्स हैं. यू कैन also do biking there. And if you are into cultural events, then there is a famous opera here and a famous theater, and summer में यहाँ पे बहुत सारे music concerts होते हैं जो आप enjoy कर सकते हैं. So Dresden has a lot to offer.
To apply for this fellowship, you need to have a completed doctoral degree with a good publication record. You should have had no previous research fellowship from the Humboldt Foundation. You should have not had any previous research stay in Germany and also have very good English language skills. Your applications will be evaluated by Professor Christian Beste, who is the head of the Action Lab and a talent scout for this program. and we will be assisting him in this process.
इस एप्लीकेशन का प्रोसेस ट्रेडिशनल प्रोसेसेस से काफ़ी डिफरेंट है. You don't need a lot of documents like CV and motivation letter. All you have to do is click on the link below and apply with your ORC ID profile.
Thank you for considering the Action Lab. We look forward to welcoming you as a colleague in the future.